Welcome everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to get registered on Nextel. So firstly, all you have to do is to go down to the description or to the comment section of this video. You will see the link to get registered. All you have to do is to go over there, click on the link, and you appear on this page. Now once you appear on this page, all you have to do on this page is to put in your phone name, your Gmail address, your username. Make sure the Gmail address you put in is your correct Gmail address, because you'll be receiving an email to verify that. So make sure you put a working email address. Now you put in your username, you put in your phone number, you put in your country of residence. There are various countries here, Nigeria and other African countries, so you can put in your country of residence and then put in the promo code provided down in the description. Or if this place is already filled up, which means if there's already a promo code from the link you clicked, then there's no need to put in a promo code. Why? If there's no promo code here, what you have to put in here right now is this. Put in code D as your promo code so that your account will be verified immediately. Now once you put in this promo code, because it has to actually be filled up, don't leave it empty. Now once you put that in, you put in your password, you click on I agree, and you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you'll be taken to the next page. Now on the next page, you have to put in your transaction pin. So it is a 4-digit pin. You put it in on the first row and you confirm it on the second row. Once you confirm your transaction pin, you click on next and your account will be registered successfully. So after that, you click on continue and you appear on this page right here. Now this is your dashboard, but your account is not active, as you can see, because you don't have a plan yet. Now to get on the plan, there are two plans on Nextel. They have the Nextel Demo eSIM and the Nextel Royal eSIM. To get on any plan, click on activate plan. Select the one you want to go for, whether it is the Demo eSIM, which is 10,500, or the Royal eSIM, which is 17,500. After that, you can go ahead and make a payment to a distributor on the website, and then once you make a payment to them, your eSIM will be delivered to you, and you can use the eSIM voucher to actually activate your account, like I'm doing right here. Now, based on the two eSIM plans, I suggest to go for the one of the Royal eSIM, because that one grants you more accessibility to the platform and more access to sponsored codes, and sponsored codes pays more on Nextel. Do well to like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.